Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices and the network so pairing can proceed. First, make sure your PC and headset are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This reduces latency and interference. Then, enable Airlink in GeForce Experience and on the headset because Airlink won't pair unless both sides are active. Also close bandwidth heavy apps and update GPU drivers. These steps remove common software blockers and set a clean environment for the pairing handshake. Now initiate the pairing sequence and observe the handshake details. From your PC open GeForce Experience, enable Shield and Airlink. Once the headset selects Airlink, you'll see a numeric code. Enter that code on the PC when prompted. This authenticates the connection. While pairing, watch signal strength and packet loss. If you see drops, move the headset closer to the router or the PC, or temporarily disable other Wi-Fi devices, because stable packets are necessary for successful pairing. Finish by accepting the pairing prompt and testing with a brief VR stream to confirm smooth tracking and acceptable latency. If the connection fails, don't escalate. Restart the PC and headset, then repeat the exact pairing steps. Many timing glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, disable VPNs, check router quality of service rules, or plug your PC into Ethernet to reduce wireless hops. These actions address deeper network or routing causes that commonly block Airlink pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.